Overnight, Portland police declared the protest outside of the Police Association headquarters in North Portland a riot. This follows items being thrown at officers, shots being fired, and even a truck ramming a barricade created by the protesters. Elise Haas joins us live with a timeline of what happened overnight. Elise?
And then, just before 11:20, a truck was seen flying through a line of fences the protesters had dragged into the street. The truck had sparks flying everywhere because a motorcycle was stuck underneath it. No one was hurt in this incident as well. Officers say they spoke with that driver, and the incident is under investigation.
You know, after the several attempts that we have had at people doing this, I mean, on one small part, I understand their frustration, the street's blocked. But on the other hand, attempting to take a human life because there's a car or a bicycle or a motorbike in your way is a whole different story. Now, driving through several hundred people at 40, 30 miles an hour while the shit's sparking at the front of your car, that's a little something past. You need to have your, that level of rage does not compute with the interference of driving 12 extra blocks. You know, I know it sucks. I know road rage sucks and all, but, you know, I just have a hard time justifying that.
Yeah, it was really funny. I was in there and yeah, I saw another person like buying like safety glasses.
Whatever reason this is capturing people's attention. Like lots of shit's been happening, and for some reason this is like people are no! No!
Mike, man, you have to wait, man. You have to wait. Nine. I don't want to run nobody over. Y'all started throwing shit at my motherfucking truck. Y'all are stupid, man. Fucking dumb idiot protesters that think you're doing good when you're doing bad.
Oh shit! Oh shit, did y'all see that? Holy fuck! Holy shit! Oh fuck! Fuck! I'm going forward. I'm moving my position forward.
I don't know, straight. Where's that motorcycle? Where'd it go? Where's the motorcycle?
Get in my truck!
You get back in this truck. Mobile and Lombard. Mobile and Lombard, we need back up now. Mobile and Lombard.
What do we need on the road?
What?
What do we need?
We need fucking de-escalation, my de-escalation crew. We need medics. Who's gun? Who's got a gun? Assistance on Lombard and Mobile, yes, over. Is that him?
Where are you? Over.
Mobile and Lombard, over.
This police straight ahead for you.
Is he in the vehicle?
Police straight ahead.
White
The next
shirt.
block over. Right over here. Over here, right straight ahead. See? Gotcha. Thank you. All right. Fuck those fools. I'm just letting you know. I swear.
Cops on the next block over.
Yep.
Cops next block over. They're coming in your direction. First time, this is the second police vehicle I've seen the whole time I've been in Portland.
He has a gun! Do your fucking job! You do, man!
He just pulled a gun out on all of us. He has on a white shirt and blue pants.
You're not gonna do
Y'all
anything
should be
about that?
leaving.
So,
He has a gun. He's trying to get out on us.
Sir, can you let me do my job? He has an assault rifle.
He has a gun.
Fucking evidence.
This guy, the driver of this vehicle, ran over a motorcycle. That's what was passing by me.
Where is the person that was under here? I do not know. Blocks and blocks up. If you turned, you probably went left.
White shirt, gray or blue pants.
Go back, get him!
I don't know.
And I can outrun everybody.
These blocks and blocks up. Where? Hey, right here, right here. Where?
Oh, sorry, I'm sitting right up there. Right there. That's it right there! Up there! Oh, that's about...
Y'all start throwing shit in my
That's
fucking
him
car.
right here! Everybody just started
This is
that
him
shit.
right here! Fucking stupid, man. Who
He's
starts
right
throwing
here.
shit in somebody's truck for no reason?
He's right here!
I just waved him down, you dumb motherfucker.
I'm
not in there, stupid fuck. Stupid motherfucker.
No one was doing shit.
Don't do shit, you're trying to
I'm
bro.
going the Justin. Where you want me?
Step back over there. Step back over there.
He's on the gun, he threw it.
What? I got it on my line. Oh. I got that thing. When he pulled the gun out.
I think this guy ran over on the motorcycle.
I didn't see his bag. I've never seen a bag. I saw the gun. But he definitely got a gun. Whoever he threw it at, he got a gun. I got it on my line. You got the videos, don't worry, buddy.
Because I believe the crowd, and I seen him when he was going by dragging the motorcycle. That's why I said, what the fuck? If you rewind it about 3 minutes back, that's exactly what I saw happen. He is too guilty. Way too guilty.
He just started fucking. I tried to get around him, fucking. I didn't see him, and it just came out of it.
You had no right to put a gun at us.
They came out of nowhere, so fucking they started smashing on with him immediately. Fucking, as soon as I tried to get around him, fucking, they just started smashing with him. Shit was exploding. And I tried to get out there, fucking rolled the car, motorcycle, fucking. Didn't hit him hard or anything. Just put him in my fucking car.
Hold on, sit you guys down here.
I seen the gun.
Is it on the street?
I got it on my line.
Do you have a weapon?
No, no, sir.
I have it on my line. I have the whole
Please don't shine your light at me. Please don't shine your light at me, sir.
Who are you?
I'm just an innocent bystander.
Okay, are you a victim in any of this?
I'm hard of hearing.
Okay, who are you?
I'm just an innocent bystander.
Okay, then I need you to go down here. We're dealing with something right here, okay?
I am just an innocent bystander, sir. I don't want no
I
problems.
need you to go down there,
Okay. Okay, is that a lawful order?
Yes.
Under what pretense?
You're interfering with our investigation.
Sir, you're interfering with my investigation by shining my light in my face, a light in my face.
Information that can help us.
You're shining your light in my face. You're assaulting me.
Okay, I need you to
You're
go down
assaulting
there.
me. Stop
Go-
assaulting me,
go
please.
down there.
Stop assaulting me.
I'm not assaulting you. Go
Don't make me give you a dick donut. Stop assaulting me. Stop assaulting me. Stop assaulting me, man.
down there.
I'm not involved.
Okay, sit down and let them talk to him.
right now. I don't give a fuck about an investigation. See all this white people in black people out here saying he pointed the gun at him. He cocked the gun. Not just pointed it, he cocked the gun, y'all. Black men be dead right now. The motherfucking streets. This is why black people are like that. And y'all ask me why y'all talk.
Eat a dick. Dick donut, dick donut. Can you stop assaulting me, please? You're assaulting me with your flashlight. You're blinding me. You're obstructing my vision. That is assault. United States Supreme Court rule of shining someone's face in the light is assault. You need to stop assaulting me.
No black man will be getting shit right now. This is fucking me.
I ain't did shit to you motherfuckers.
This is why we get out here saying Black Lives Matter. No, you see the white dude though? They treat him like he a motherfucking piece of gold.
Now I'm gonna have eye surgery. Oh my God, my eye, now I can't see. I need a medic. Help, help, help. I've been assaulted by the cops' light. I need a medic. I need a medic. I need medical attention.
I'm not giving him my live footage. Fuck this. Because if this was a black man, this is not the way he would be getting treated right now. I'm not giving them no motherfucking because they want to do an investigation. I'm tired of this shit. I'm tired of this shit. This is exactly what y'all here right now talking about Black Lives Matter. This white
I don't know who the fuck this guy is with this fucking light right here, but I think he's the cops. This is the cops right here. Down here and look at the damage in this vehicle. I do 100% believe that that is the same guy I recognize.
He pulled the gun out and cocked it. He didn't just pull it out, he cocked that shit. He wanted to shoot a fucking person tonight.
He ran, is that the same guy that ran him over?
Yes. That's why he ran through the fucking traffic.
Good looking out, that's the problem, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna try to get back down here right now. Y'all bear with me, let me run back down to the end. I'm running all the way down to that light down there. There's the answer. There's the cell phone. There's your answer. Cell phone.
What was the name? What was his name?
Same guy. Same guy that ran the guy over. I seen it.
I know. So
Yeah.
he pulled out his registration.
He's detained up ahead.
Yeah, I know. He's down on the right side.
Yeah.
I saw him curb. I saw him.
You took too long to come back, sir. If it was us, you guys would have fucking shot at us. You would have shot at us, right? Why are you looking at me? I'm not trying to do your job.
You're yelling at me.
Just ignore him and do your job. Just ignore him and do your job.
Can't investigate
Just ignore him and do your
I
job.
haven't told you to do it.
Just ignore him and do your job.
Letting an M16 go.
Just ignore him and do your job. Don't worry about it. Just ignore him.
Out with that
You'll
guy.
be okay.
Yeah.
How do you think an investigation works, dude?
I know how it works.
This vehicle's involved, and that's why we're here right
How
now.
long did it take you to get here? Or you?
I was dealing with the guy with the gun down the block.
You guys haven't responded, but you saw this happen. This is why I'm concerned right now. This is not okay. I understand that you're under pressure, but people are upset right now. Residents of the community.
So this guy has a medic patch on him.
I'm concerned right now.
I'm not for sure if he's police medic.
At Denver and Lombard,
This is Portland police.
Send medical attention to make sure that he's
There were
okay.
no injuries.
Okay, so you
From
guys
people
sent.
over in that area, we were told there were no
So
injuries.
you already went over there and talked to them. That's unbeknownst to me, but I apologize. I wasn't aware of that. From what I know from being over there and waiting and walking over here,
Right.
I hadn't saw an officer present.
So everything that we've been
However,
told is there were no injuries. If we get any reports of injuries, we will.
So yeah, can somebody confirm that?
okay.
Is that what they're saying? Let me look around. I don't have a light on me. Let me look around. I gotta charge my phone. My phone's almost dead. I need to get I got my phone charger with me, but my phone's about to go dead. Let's look around though. Looks like something might be leaking in my backpack. No, my backpack's not wet, so I think it might be this water bottle. Oh, it is. It's fucking Laura's water. Fuck! Carrying my friend's water in my backpack, and it opened. I have all my fucking electronics in it. Fuck! There's no way to do your friends. Sabotage your shit. I'm about to go back to the front lines. Fuck that guy's gun. I don't want it.
Please get out of the street. Get out of the street. Out of the street. You don't have the right to stand in the street. It's against the law.
You eat it. Hey, I'm not doing anything to you.
You get out of the street. Thank you.
There's no cars coming. You get out of the street then. If it's not safe for me, it's not safe for you. If it's not safe for me, it's not safe for you either.
Let's all keep down. It's still neighborhood. We all gonna live here.
If it's not safe for me to be in the street, it's not safe for you to be in the street either. It's not safe for me, it's not safe for you. Don't play that safety bitch shit. I haven't bothered you all this fucking night till you put your hands on me, bitch. Make me feed you a dick donut.
We're live here at Denver and Lombard. And a scary situation just happened. A car, a two-door truck with organ plates drove through the crowd here, and people out here are a little bit shaken up right now. That car drove through the crowd, hit a motorcycle, and continued to drive down Lombard, hitting a fence and continuing on. Thankfully, it does not appear that anybody was hurt from this incident, but definitely people out here are shaken up after that incident. People are standing around right now. It's a very scary situation. People kind of ran to the sides of the street trying to dodge that truck. Again, that truck does have organ plates, but we'll continue to monitor that situation, Jeff. But a very scary situation. Thankfully, it doesn't appear that anybody was hurt at this time.
Yeah.
Jeff, we'll send it back to you in the
And
studio.
I've seen some other video. You see a protester laying the motorcycle in front of the car, and then the truck takes off. Keep it right here on Coin 6, everybody. Late show up next.